Hello, good morning, namaste. Today we are conducting the annual sports activities in our institution. Our institution have a very good sports facility. We have a facility for conducting cricket, volleyball, throw ball, netball and all other athletic events. So we have the regular activities of the sports throughout the year for their physical and mental development of the student. The sports will develop our students for their career also to work in a group activity and as well as the critical thinking, and then also solving problems they will learn through the sports activity.
My name is Khalid. I'm from KNSIT.
Hello everyone, myself Siana.
Hi, my name is Zahir Ahmed Khan.
From past 4 years as I've been studying in this college, so the experience is actually great.
Today was the sports day and I participated in throw ball and we won. So it was a great experience.
Today I participated in cricket and we won the match. From 3 years I'm studying in this college, so my experience was too good.
So today whatever the sports activities we are conducting, so all these sports activities who are the winners of the different departments, we are issuing them the certificates and medals during the annual day. Annual day will be conducted shortly. Thank you.